How to use Lowe's View in Space AR tool. In order to use the View in Your Space AR tool, you must use the Lowe's mobile app on a compatible smartphone. So for that, you could install the app if you haven't. Just go to your app store, type in Lowe's on the search bar, and make sure to install the app and register yourself. After which, you just want to make sure to go ahead and browse for items like Patio furniture, grill, or Craftsman tools. And you could also look for View in Your Space button on the product details. So just go ahead and select what can we help you find. So you could go ahead and type in furniture Patio or Patio furniture. So there, you just want to make sure to go ahead and search for it. After which, you just want to make sure to open up the details section page where you could go ahead and look for a 360 view. If you swipe towards your left and all that, you could also go ahead and rotate it and view it. So now, in order to do this view in your space, you just want to make sure to scroll down and look for this options that's going to be at the very bottom or somewhere. Alright, so what you need is you could just go to the bottom and there you have Ask Milo. Select that out and this is gonna be the AI thing. So what you want to do is you could simply upload an image of your living room or the place where you actually want to make sure to keep this furniture. So as you can see, this contains something, so you just want to make sure to keep it a very simple background, and that's how you could go ahead and upload. As well as in some of the premium membership, you might be able to find this section as well. So you just want to make sure to go and look for it in a details section, and that's how you'll be able to use a view in your space in your Lowe's app. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.